can see small objects like sugar pills. So this took me 30 minutes to create, and you can see things pretty well. Take out the palette from the microscope and then put the objects you want to see in the microscope. And now, this is how a sugar looks from a normal view. This is how a sugar particle looks. Microscope is in the level of 25 millimeters. Let us check how will it look in 5 millimeters. To take to the level 5 millimeters, you have to loosen these screws. Not fully but partially. Lower this down to 5 millimeters and tighten this screw back. Look more clear, but they're not as big as 25 millimeters.